Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Are you guys doing okay? In today's video we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, lining, scissors, tape rule and interfacing. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 25 inches long by 18 inches width. The already iron medium weight interfacing the Ankara fabric, and the next thing you want to do is to measure this edge. This is 18 divided by 2 will give us 9, so you are marking the middle, which is 9. So from the middle you're going to mark 3.5, 3.5 inch, 3.5 inches. So this is where we'll be fixing the handle of the bag. We're going to mark the same mark for this other end, and for the handle of the bag, this is the bridal satin I will be using. I've already ironed interfacing in it, and I stitch one part. So let's measure it. So this is 19 inches by 1 inch. We're going to fix this here on that place that I marked. You're going to stitch your handle right here, stitch your handle here, and we're going to fix this other side on this side of the fabric. After fixing the handle of the bag, the next thing you want to do is to cut out your lining, same measurement with your Ankara fabric. So your lining should be 25 inches by 18 inches. And when that is done, you're going to stitch your lining. You're going to stitch, stitch, and you're going to stitch. So when you get, you're going to leave an opening that we can turn the bag inside out from, and so stitch the rest of the fabric. And I'm done stitching the lining to the Ankara fabric, and I left space here, so we are going to turn the bag inside out from this space. I'm done stitching the lining to the Ankara fabric, and I left space here, so we are going to turn the bag inside out from this space. When that is done, this space that is here, we're going to fold inside, and you're going to run the top stitch. When you get to the handle side, top stitch, and then top stitch. Now top stitch around the bag, and the next thing you want to do is to measure. So you're going to measure one part of the bag, 2.5 inches, 2.5, and I'm going to measure that straight down on the both side of the bag. Now top stitch around the bag, and the next thing you want to do is to measure. So you're going to measure one part of the bag, 2.5 inches, 2.5, and I'm going to measure that straight down on the both side of the bag. So guys, when you are done marking your 2.5 inches, I hope you can see. Okay, you're just going to mark it from this end to this end. You roll it. You're also going to mark it from this end to this end, and when that is done, you go and stitch it. You're going to fold on that 2.5 inches line this way, and we top stitch by the edge. I am going to do the same for this other one. I'm going to fold on that 2.5 inches line. I'm going to top stitch on it. After top stitching, this is what bag looks like. Now you're going to fold your bag to 2 equal parts. You're going to stitch straight down. You're also going to stitch straight down. After stitching the side of your bag, you're going to fold the edge this way, and you will measure 2 inches. You will mark it. So you're going to stitch that 2 inches, and you're going to do the same for this side. Measure 2 inches, mark it, and you're also going to stitch on it. And don't stitch in. We are just going to tack it here with needle and thread. So you can cut it off if you want. When that is done, cut out your thread. You can now turn the bag inside it. See? So guys, you can see how this bag looks like. See the side. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video and comment your opinion. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.